See, this is called greenhouse made DIY. Look at this. This is the fence. This is the fence behind, and there is a plastic. You see, this look good. So fence is not gonna affect. Yes. Wow, this is original. Hanging. Need a water actually here. So lovely. It's all over the fences. They put it. What is this? It's put it water, plastic. A lot of plant here. It's a good idea. Have its above shrubs. It's nice design actually. Oh wow, that look like a bamboo, huh? Is that bamboo? Oh yeah, it look like a bamboo. It's a different bamboo. You look.
How you doing back here? Hey, doesn't it make you just? It's amazing, right?
No, it
It's a nice idea.
Isn't this a great idea?
It's a good to fence. You see the plastic?
I love
That's why I wanna show my husband. I wanna take photo.
it. Yes.
You can use everything, you know.
Right. Yes, you can. Yeah. Okay, so I know those little ones are
God, look at this. Look at this. Wow, look at this. This side. This side is. Wow, that's so. Look at this. So wonderful. I like this idea actually.
It is so peaceful and wow.
Yeah, you can walk morning, you know. You can walk morning, and
Right?
I like it. I don't know. What is this name? I don't know. What is this? Is good actually. Something look like a bamboo. What is this name? Huh, ma'am? What is this name? This plant? I was thinking come with my husband one day
It's
to
called-
show him. I like the idea actually. DIY idea.
it's called butterfly ginger.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Butterfly ginger. They have a
And
ginger
it's
inside?
It's peach colored. It's not the ginger you
It's
eat,
a flower.
but
Okay.
it is. It's in that same family.
Wow. Love it. Wow, really. It's hard to take care. You need to put water all the time? Huh? You need to put water all the time?
They need to be in the ground is what they need.
Ah,
They need being watered on a regular basis because they're in pots.
yeah.
And
Yeah.
they need sun to bloom. Yes, I keep threatening to
I
throw
love
them in
it.
the yard and plant them.
I have an app, plant. You click the photo, each plant name, they will tell you.
Yeah.
So that's really, oh wow, look at this.
Now that's a Hoya. But that one's
You have a more quality, more than garden,
nursery.
Houston Garden Center.
oh yeah. Not the stuff they have.
You have so much antique stuff. I want to come here one day with my husband. Yeah. Do you have a garage sale next week? What is this? We are traveling tomorrow, so early morning.
Yeah, we'll be here tomorrow.
Wow, lovely. This look like a Christmas Christmas plant. Some
Night blooming.
night blooming. Okay.
Cactus.
Oh,
Night blooming.
but not look like a
Big white
cactus.
flowers.
Wow. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow or maybe later. Oh yeah, this is bamboo. Yeah, this is bamboo, right? Yeah, this is bamboo. I have this one. I bought it $100 online. Thank you so much.